Hey everybody, it's Mel with Nightmare Makers. Today I wanted to give a quick demo on how we stain our foam skulls. The material we use for these is a 6-pound density polyurethane foam that we purchased from Brick in the Yard or Biddy. The reason why I like it is because it has a smooth finish which shows the details really well. We recommend priming the skulls, and you can certainly use spray paint for it, but it will take multiple layers of it. So what we found works best for us is just a brushable primer. It's thicker and it doesn't take as much of it. And you simply just take a chip brush or whatever brush you have, but these are the cheapest. And you don't want to actually brush it on, you kind of want to dab it on, that way you don't have the brush strokes later on once you stain it. And you just continue on. And this will be the end result. Now, of course, you can go ahead and spray paint the eyes darker to make it a little bit quicker. But once you have this, we use the stain. This is what we use. It's the Jacobine, but of course there's many different colors that you can use. We just prefer to use this one. And then you don't need much. You want to go into the details, into the crevices. Take whatever you have, napkin and such. You can wipe it off. You can see the darker stain stays in the crevices and shows really great the details of the foam. The longer you leave the stain on, the darker it's going to be, so it really depends on your preference for that. I spend a little bit more time on these because they're going to be demos, but you can see the detail everywhere. It really depends on the lighting, where the skulls are going to be, but that is how we stain the skulls. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.